Hello and welcome back to Linux Academy. In this video, we are going to look at modules in Python. A module is a set of pre-written functions that you can add to your script. Some modules are even compiled and thus run very fast. To use the module that's already installed on your system, you simply import it. For example, a module we will be using is called subprocess. This module can run commands on your Linux system and return the output back into Python. So let's import subprocess. All modules within them have functions or other data structures you can use. To view the available functions, just use dir on the name of the function. Generally, the names without the underscores around them are functions you can use. To look up how to use a module, you can always go to the online documentation. I have included this link in the note cards on the side. So let's look up subprocess. As you can see, it gives you all the functions available and all the valid calls. For our example, we are going to use subprocess check output. Right underneath in the examples, it actually tells you how to call the function. Let's get back to Python. Let's write a script to find the hostname of our server. Under Linux, you would do this with a command called hostname, and we will use subprocess to run the command and get its output back into Python. Let's do hostname equals subprocess dot check output hostname, and now print the hostname. As you can see, to call a function in a module, you use the name of the module dot the name of the function and pass it any variable. One of the most powerful aspects of Python is the wide variety of standard modules available. You can go online and look up what comes standard. I have included this link in the note cards on the side. I have also created a note card with some of the most useful modules available. Have a look at those and even look a couple of them up in the online documentation. We will go into the details of those modules later on in this course. Additionally, there is a huge public repository of Python modules called PyPy. Let's look what module we want to install. Boto 3. Boto 3 is a Amazon Web Services SDK for Python. The online documentation also tells you how to install Boto 3 using pip. First, let's go to our Linux shell. Now you have to be root to install packages in Python, unless you're running a virtual environment, which we will cover later. Pip install Boto 3, and you have installed your first package. We can go back into Python, then simply import Boto 3, and then as before, look at the available functions.